Remember the special Harry Potter edition Redmi Note 12 Turbo I was talking about in the unboxing video? Well, I got my hands on it. So in today's video, let's unbox and take a close look at the Harry Potter edition Redmi Note 12 Turbo. Hey guys, Ash here from C4eTech and let's get started. Now before we proceed, a quick request. If you're on Telegram, use the link in the description to join the C4eTech channel so that you can keep track of all my new uploads. So this is the Harry Potter edition Redmi Note 12 Turbo. Redmi has gone for a bookish look for the box here. You've got Harry Potter mentioned, of course, the history of magic. So yeah, that's the bookish vibe they're going for. And it's got more Harry Potter stuff, like for example here, the four houses mentioned. And now here we get the smartphone stuff. This special edition is, like I said in the Redmi Note 12 Turbo video, it's available only in 12-256, which is weird because we usually see brands charging a lot more for these collaborations, milking the consumers by putting it on only the highest SKU, which for the Redmi Note 12 Turbo would be the 16GB RAM 1TB storage variant. So anyways, as a book, it's got a little magnetic flap to the side, nice touch. Here we have some of the common spells in the Harry Potter world. Tiny broomstick to the sides, again, nice. And here, more Harry Potter stuff. So okay, well, I've got that upside down. So let me flip the box around and let's go ahead and open up this book, or rather the Redmi Note 12 Turbo Harry Potter edition. Man, there is a lot happening here and it looks amazing. So much work put in. And this has gotta be my favorite. We have this letter, but it's not your regular letter to the buyer stuff that we see with OnePlus, but this is the letter that Harry Potter gets in the movies. You know, the first one where he gets a whole lot of this, and that's the one they've included here with the seal and everything. So let me go ahead, open it up, and as a Harry Potter fan, someone who's read all the books multiple times, this is definitely an experience. Now this, it's what the students would require, the books and all that stuff. So here, take a close look. Now, of course, it's the same thing to the back, but in Chinese. Let me go ahead, put the letter back. This is definitely a cool little touch, gotta say that. Talking about cool little touches, the next one's even cooler. This is a platform 9 3/4 reference, where Harry gets onto the Hogwarts Express. It's really nice to see how they've put that on a sim ejector tool. And we have more spells mentioned to the side. And this is the Mirror of Erased. In the Harry Potter world, it shows you your deepest desires. And that is kind of what they're playing off here. Like the message being, read me is your heart's deepest desire. As corny as that might sound, I'm gonna give them points for creativity. Seems like they've definitely put some thought into this. And to the back, we've got some stuff in Chinese. And oh yeah, here you go. I show you not your face, but your heart's desire. So now let's get to the Note 12 Turbo. Actually, you know what? Before we take the phone out, again, more Harry Potter stuff. We've got some highlights, Hedwig, the Golden Snitch, Quidditch, the Goblet of Fire, the Broom, the Sorting Hat, Hogwarts Express, a lot of stuff. And okay, now this is another Harry Potter themed box here, and inside we've got the case and some stickers. These are all really cool stuff. I mean, if you're a Harry Potter fan, I'm sure you'd love this. We've got the houses both in color as well as black and white. And there are some highlights, the night bus, the train, Sirius's flying bike that Hagrid brings Harry to Pivot Drive in. It's really super cool. As a long-time Harry Potter fan, I love this. And this is the case. It's got a fall leather kind of finish and it goes really well with the phone. And we will get to that in a minute. And below this, we've got a Marauders Map style quick information booklet. So guys, a whole lot of attention to detail shown here. This has gotta be one of the coolest collaborations or special edition phones I've seen in like forever. Okay, time enough to get to the phone itself. And my God, the back really looks beautiful. The way it reflects light and all the branding here, the Hogwarts logo, this tiny little Easter egg, the camera sensors that kind of make up Harry Potter's glasses. It's a call out to that, and that lightning symbol. I mean, they've done well. Back to the unboxing. Here is another themed box, and this houses the charger and a Type-C cable. This I feel like is a missed opportunity. They could have put that lightning scar on the charger and maybe gone with a themed Type-C cable, at least a different color or something like that. Anyway, that's pretty much it for the unboxing experience. The charger notwithstanding, like I've been saying throughout this video, it seems like Redmi's paid a lot of attention to detail. They've done good. But yes, there is a but. All this holds true only for the inbox contents, because from a software perspective, they've really not done much. So when the phone boots up, we have this cool little golden snitch flying around, boot animation, but the boot tone, that's still regular MIUI. And once we are up, we again have this golden snitch on screen. There's a cool wallpaper, but here I feel like a Harry Potter icon pack could have worked. That's something we've seen on other special edition phones, from other brands. And especially given the critical acclaim that MIUI's theme engine has gotten over the years, I kind of wish they've done more. But for now, we have 2 wallpapers included, and that's pretty much everything Harry Potter from a software perspective. Coming back to externals, now remember what I said about this case, how it was great with this phone? This is why. It kind of goes great with that back design and everything. It's a nice touch. And as a nice touch, they've put even more Harry Potter stuff on the inside of the case. So I guess that's pretty much it for this quick little special edition unboxing. What do you guys think about special edition phones like this? Do you think they're worth the time? Do you think Redmi's done well here? Whatever your thoughts are, let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know if you'd want to see unique phones like these being unboxed on C4eTech. And if you did like the video, thumbs up. If you didn't like it, and if you've not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're already subscribed, turn on the notifications by hitting that bell icon. And I guess that's it. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. Until next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4eTech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.